Okay folks, so for today, for a teachable lesson, every man's favorite dream, mowing his lawn, we're going to show you two quick tips here. Two that get missed quite often, one of them probably 90% of the time. This mower I cracked loose, the blade, we're going to sharpen that up. I know it doesn't look too bad, but I mean, it's still got a dull edge to it and I got time, so I'm going to do it right now. The blade is in fairly good condition. I'm a little bit fussy, but I have time to take them apart, obviously, because I'm retired. But what you do, instead of having to use a grinder, you can simply carefully set that up and draw file that edge off real nice and sharpen it until it gleams. Always the front edge. Always. Make sure you're wearing gloves. The back edge you can see is a bit rough. So you should dress that off just lightly until you've got a little shiny edge there and you know you cleaned it up, because you're always getting buildup back here from your choppings. Whenever it's wet, they'll stick on there. You can use your handy dandy wire brush to clean that off as well. Never hurts to keep it clean, but then that makes sure that when you draw that front edge, you can get that nice and sharp. No lumps or bumps. If there is a bad bump or a nick, say where you hit a rock and you get a bulge in there, you can easily take that, put it on your small anvil here, and repair the edge. It's always possible. The metal doesn't go anywhere. It's just been displaced to another area. So remember that in your blade travels. Make sure you gleam it up. And that few times a year that you touch it up, it'll certainly make a difference to your lawn. And if you get tired of it and you sharpen it 20 or 30 times, it's starting to wear out. There's nothing better than buying yourself new mower blades. The next part is that washer that takes off to support your mower. Be very, very careful. That is a Belleville washer. It has a disc to it, so it provides a little bit of flex and provides torque to bolt it up, so it, in a sense, spring loads it. Very important you get that on the right way. You could have a blade come loose and get thrown while you're running, and it could destroy your whole spindle. And here's part two of that funny story about things we always miss. When it's time to sharpen the mower blades, which is usually twice a year if you're, pretty good about it, maybe more if you're others, reach around in here into your spindles and you'll feel around in there and you'll probably find a tuft of grass stuck to something in there. That'll be your spindle bearing grease nipple. Make sure 2 shots. Give it 2 shots. Do your sharpening. Run it for just a minute or two to get that grease spurt around in there. And that'll save you a multitude of time and expensive spindle breakdowns and belt burnouts. So, that's your handy dandy tip for today, folks. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.